So RAM installs usually you have to pick a slot A and a slot B, and these are numbered A to the closest to the CPU, which makes sense. Sometimes they aren't. I can always check the guide later. Got a sticker. These guys were relatively low cost, but they were CL 36s across, which is pretty low. Usually you're at 40s, so they should be. That looks like it's the wrong way. That is backwards. You definitely good solid clicks. I don't want this on the outside of my case, but do I want to put that T4 sticker right there? I may do that. I wonder if this guy's got thermal paste included in it. If not, I have Arctic Silver from doing repairs. Intel AMD, so I need the smooth guys, and we have a 1700 LGA 1700. So here standoff legs. And a backing plate. I never even thought of that. I should have known before I put that in there. Probably gonna have to pull that board out. And 1700 C with the pegs all the way to the outside. There is already thermal paste on this. Perfect. Spinny boy. Mostly black, kind of weird checkered pattern. I like this little colored cap for the cheapest thing you could find. It is pretty good looking. So he should sit something like this. There will be lots of clearance from the memory sticks because I didn't buy some giant heat stack RGB lighting ones. Nice rubber grommets on the fan holders. They provided extra spring clips, Intel. So are these things supposed to move? So let's see. There's the 4 post. Oh, maybe we don't have to take this board out. Is there an up, down, left, right? Ah, these little guys do move. And I do need to take the motherboard out.